Bree, the Coupon Queen, and welcome to the CVS ad preview for next week. So I'm back from my business trip. I'm so excited to be back. Traveling is always so tiring, but I was able to visit two beautiful cities. I went to Charlotte, North Carolina, and Florence, South Carolina. So now that I'm back, I want to go over the ad preview with you guys for what's going on next week at CVS so we can prepare. I do have a coupon insert preview up on my page as well if you guys want to watch that. We're getting 4 inserts on Sunday, which is amazing. We have a ton of hair care coupons coming as well as makeup coupons. So if you haven't seen the ad preview for the coupon inserts, make sure you check that out. I will have it linked below and at the end of the video. So let's dive into this deal, into the deals for next week in the ad preview. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you take a second, hit that subscribe button. My channel is all about savings, saving tips, where to get the best products and the best deals so you guys can use that money towards anything else you're looking for. Whether you want to treat yourself, get your nails done, take your kids out somewhere, maybe have a nice date night. It's always good that we can use the savings from couponing for whatever else we'd like to spend it on. So we're getting some more instant coupons at the Coupon Center, a $3 off coupon for L'Oreal, Maybelline, and Garnier. So that would be a really, really great deal, especially if it's on Garnier facial care, because we do have coupons coming in the Sunday paper. I have a $2 micellar water CRT, and if we have this $3 instant coupon, that would make for a pretty good moneymaker. It says over $100 in extra bucks plus extra coupon savings at the Redbox Center. So it seems like they're trying to get these fixed, seeing as they're obviously advertising to make sure you go to the Redbox right when you get to CVS to print all your CRTs and instant coupons. So hopefully they'll start getting all the Redboxes fixed. I know a lot of you guys have been commented that your Redboxes in your area are down. So fingers crossed they can get to every single one of them, obviously, and get them fixed so you guys can print out all of your CRTs. Buy 2, get a $5 extra buck on Maybelline Cosmetics. So if you want to use that $3 instant coupon for this, you can. We do have Maybelline coupons coming, I believe, in the Sunday insert. And L'Oreal Facial Care, again, I love, love, love the age renewals. I use them all the time. They are spend $30, get $10 extra buck. It is a limit of 1, so you can only do that deal 1 time per card per household. And because you're spending $30, it is beauty products. You're also going to get a $3 beauty buck in about 48 hours. L'Oreal Elvive, we have a 2 off 2 instant coupon printing and a 4 off of 2 coupon coming in most Sunday papers. That one is a regional coupon. My region, unfortunately, typically does not get that coupon, so I will have to purchase that online. Okay, perfect. So Garnier Facial Care is on sale again. Buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So I'll definitely include this in my must-do deals for you guys. That'll be a really hot deal. Of course, you can use this instant coupon on any one of these items that you'd like. CoverGirl, we are getting coupons in the Sunday paper. $2 off lip, I think $3 off eye, and $3 off face. So buy 2, get a $6 extra buck, limit of 1. Some hair color deals here, 4 off 2 coupon, 4 off of 2 extra buck is coming. So when you buy 2, you'll get a $4 extra buck and a 5 off of 2 coupon. The scissors in the ad means it's coming in the Sunday paper. Another deal again, so Walgreens has a deal, it's not even really a deal, it's just on sale for $11.99. So CVS is definitely a better deal to go pick up these super large Tide or the Tide Pods. So they are $11.94. Buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So if you buy 2 of them and use 2 of the $2 off coupons, you would pay $19.88, get back a $5 extra buck. So final cost is $7.44 each. Now, if you have a 3 off 12 laundry care CRT or 2 off 8 or both, you can definitely use those and get you some even better savings. Love Beauty Planet and Shea Moisture. There are coupons coming in the insert. Spend $20, get a $10 extra buck. And for Love, Beauty, and Planet, it is a bonus item on Fetch Rewards. So if you're not signed up on Fetch yet, they do have CVS gift cards. That is how I pay zero out of pocket week after week, is from using all the points that I get on Fetch Rewards from all of the great deals that we've been doing. So make sure you guys sign up if you haven't yet. My code is right here, J24VT, and you will get an additional 2,750 points when you scan your first receipt. So make sure when you sign up, you scan your receipt right away. That way you don't forget. You'll get those additional points, and once you hit 3,000 points, you can cash out for a gift card. Garnier Whole Blend, get a $1 extra buck when you buy 2. It's a better deal than Walgreens next week. And the 4 off of 2 coupon from the Sunday paper. So final cost is just $2 for both, or $1 each. Deals under $5. So we have spend $15, get a $5 extra buck on the 2 equals 4 Bounty paper towels and the Charmin 4 mega rolls. There's a $1 Cent-A-Card coupon coming. Colgate, we have the 50-cent coupon in most Sunday papers. Remember, you can go onto Colgate.com and print a $1 off coupon for the Optic White. So you would pay $2.49. Then you would get the $2 extra buck when you buy 1. So final cost is just 49 cents. It is a limit of 2. So you can do that twice and get 2 toothpaste for 49 cents each. So definitely a good deal there. Buy one, get one half off on some deodorants. Buy 3, get a $10 extra buck on Pampers. Better deal is at CVS. Walgreens is just on sale. There's no rewards back. So 3 for $9.99 is going to be $29.97. We have a 3 off of 2 coupon coming in the Sunday paper. So you would pay $26.97, get back a $10 extra buck. So final cost is just $5.65. That's not using any CRTs or anything like that. Now, if you have a 3 off of 15 baby care CRT, then you're going to pay $23.97, get back a $10 extra buck. So final cost would be $4.65 a bag, which is awesome. And that is a limit of 1. Kleenex and the smaller Dawns are just 99 cents. That's a really great deal to stock up on the Dawn. I know a lot of people prefer that over Palmolive. Tide and Downy are $2.94, 50-cent coupon makes it $2.44. Not the best deal, but still some good savings. Gillette and Venus, buy 2, get an $8 extra buck. That's a good deal there. Some different alcohol, beer, wine deals for you. Spend $20 on any of these products, get a $5 extra buck. So they have Cottonelle and Scott, 12 equals 18, and then it says 22. I don't know what that is. Anyways, the 12 mega rolls, they're $10.49. On Ibotta, there is a $1 cashback offer for the Cottonelle, so that would give you guys some additional savings. I've been using Ibotta a ton lately, and there is another bonus that just popped up that ends on Sunday. It is called the Pick Me Up bonus. So if you guys have that, I'm going to try my best to do another haul for you all, but I'm not sure if I'm going to have time because I did just get back from the business trip and I have a ton of work to do this weekend. So fingers crossed I can find some time to head over there for you guys. It is a limit of 5. So if you bought 2 of these, that would get you over the $20 mark. It would be at $20.98. You can submit to Ibotta for $2 back. Now, there's also 55-cent coupons you can print from coupons.com. I don't think we're getting any Cottonelle coupons in the Sunday insert, so that would be paying $19.88. If you have a 2 off of 8 paper towel or toilet paper CRT, you would pay just $12.88, get back a $5 extra buck. Then you would submit for $2 rebates for the Cottonelle. So final cost would be just $5.44 each, which is pretty much half off. So that would be a pretty good deal there to stock up on some paper products. $4.99 for Gain dryer sheets, 105 count, and the Tide Pods. Cent-A-Card coupon is coming, which is awesome. Always love those digital coupons that we don't have to worry about any regional deals. 2 for $6 on Chips Ahoy. Cottonelle flushable wipes. They are $4.49 for the 84 count. And when you buy one of them and use a 50-cent coupon that is coming in our app, so again, it's a digital, it'll be just $3.99, which is always a really good deal. It is a bonus item on Fetch as well. So if you buy one of the Cottonelle and one of the Cottonelle flushable wipes, you're going to get an additional 500 points. So you'll get, on my account, what I have is, let's see, 500 points for the Cottonelle flushable wipes, and then you'll get an additional 500 points if you do both deals. So if you guys plan on doing that, I would definitely recommend you doing this deal. That way you guys can get an additional $1 back, which is always great on Fetch Rewards. Buy one, get one half off, and $1 off too for Clorox. There's a lot of Clorox coupons coming in the Sunday insert. If you haven't had a chance to check that out, make sure you click on that video so you guys know what you're going to be looking for in your inserts. I plan on getting 2 inserts, but we'll see. I may just buy one, just depending, and then order the individual coupons online because I know I'm not going to get a lot of the hair care coupons that I'm going to want to stock up on. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know in my Sunday haul what I wind up getting. 3 for $3 on theater candy. I love Raisinets. Those are so good. Buy a gallon of milk, get $1 extra buck. That is a regional deal, I believe. It is a limit of 2. This is a great deal. Love candy. The Brookside is probably what I would grab. $3.79. Get a $2 extra buck when you buy one. It is a limit of 1. Final cost is just $1.79. And I love snacking on those. I think they're just amazing. Okay, Kind bars, spend $10, get a $2 extra buck. There are Ibotta rebates for Kind bars as well. Family size, 2 for $7, definitely not the best deal there. CoverGirl, buy 2, get a $6 extra buck. Same deal was shown on the front. Wet n Wild Cosmetics, spend 10, get a 5. Sally Hansen, there is a coupon coming in the Sunday insert, which is amazing, and it's spend 12, get a 5. So that could be a good deal if you need to stock up on some nice nail polishes. Physicians Formula, spend 20, get an 8. NYX Cosmetics, spend 15, get a 5. And Neutrogena, buy 2, get a 6. Keep going here. Okay, here are the hair care deals. Spend 15, get a $5 extra buck on L'Oreal Ever Hair Care and a $2 Centicard coupon. If you have a 3 off 12 or 3 off 15 hair care CRT, you can definitely combine that for some even more savings. Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7. Get a $2 extra buck when you buy 2. So final cost is just $1 each. So definitely a better deal at CVS. Walgreens, it is $2 for $2 each, so $4 for 2. So it's a better deal at CVS, especially if you want to combine in a hair care CRT. Maybe do this Garnier and this Garnier, use that hair care CRT, and get even more savings. So the whole blend with the $1 extra buck is going to wind up being $1 each as well. And the $7 and the $7, so $14 would count towards CVS Beauty. 2 for $12 on Olay. Better deal is at Walgreens because they have a $5 register reward when you buy 2. Head & Shoulders and Herbal Essence. Very good deal here. A lot of you guys ask me for Head & Shoulder deals. I know everyone loves that shampoo and conditioner. So they are 2 for $12. I believe we have a 3 off of 2 coupon from the P&G. I'll have to double check. So that would be $9. If you have a $3 off 12 hair care CRT, you can combine that. You would pay $6, get back a 5. Oh, that's not true because you have to spend 15. Okay, I'll put together a deal for you guys, but it will be a great deal, especially to stock up on the Head & Shoulders because they are one of the more expensive shampoos, and we don't typically get amazing, amazing deals. So that will definitely be some good savings. Jergens, we're getting some coupons again. Soft soap, I need to stock back up on this. I'm running out. It is 2 for $10. Get a $3 extra buck when you buy 2. Here are some oral care deals that we have going on. Crest, we have a $2 Centicard coupon, which is nice digital. $3.99, buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. See if we can maybe put something together there. Buy 1, get a $2 extra buck on Colgate. Colgate mouthwash. This will be a really good deal. $3.99. Get a $2 extra buck when you buy one. Makes it just $1.99, and it is a limit of 2. So if you have like $1 off any mouthwash CRT or $1 off 5, you can use that and do the deal twice. So you would buy 2 at $3.99. It would be $7.98. Use the $1 off 5 mouthwash CRT. Pay $6.98. Get back a $2 extra buck for both. Final cost would be $1.49 each. Crest Gum Detoxify toothpaste or mouthwash. Buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. I know that $3 whitening CRT hasn't been working anymore in my region. Drop a comment. Let me know if that $3 whitening treatment CRT has been working on the Crest 3D White mouthwash. Just curious to see if there's any regions that change is not affecting yet. Gillette, buy 2, get an 8. Baby Johnson's Care and Aveeno Baby, spend $30, get a $10 extra buck. We do have some coupons coming in our Sunday paper. Boost, buy 1, get 1 half off. Buy 4, get an $8 extra buck. And they have 4 off of 2 coupons coming in our Sunday paper. So that could make for a really, really good deal. And Ensure is buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. They're on sale for $7.99, and a 5 off of 2 coupon coming in our Sunday paper as well. Okay, some feminine care. Playtex Carefree, buy 1, get 1 half off. Spend $12, get a $3 extra buck, and a 3 off of 2 coupon sent to card. So that'll be a nice digital as well. Let's see, what else? Dulcolax and Kaopectate. Spend $25, get a $5 extra buck. We did have a Kaopectate Ibotta rebate and a coupon. So I already used mine. You'll have to see if we have those on our account again, because that could make for a really good deal there as well. And that is it. So if you guys have any questions, or if there's any deals that you want me to put together a scenario for, make sure you drop a comment, let me know. Don't forget to share the video with friends, family, anyone who could use some help with some savings, or if anyone is on a tight budget and really needs to stock up on some good products this week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.